Your job will replace you in 2 weeks, but your child can never replace you. And there's something quietly taking away your life, and that is stress. Death is inevitable, and we are all going to taste it someday. But there's something especially painful when it comes too early. Nobody truly understands the pain of a child that has lost a parent, especially a toddler, a child who cannot speak, a child who doesn't understand death, a child who only knows that mommy is not answering, a child who only knows that daddy is not coming back. In the midst of the many promises at funeral, we will take care of you. We will give you the best of life. Don't worry, everything will be fine. The child is left to figure out life alone. Indeed, no one can really replace a parent. Many of us parents underestimate the negative impact of stress on our lives. We ignore stress. We leave it untreated. We endure pain for long, all in the name of I must provide. Yes, indeed, as a parent you must provide, but your children need you alive. My dear parents, when you are tired, rest. When you feel unwell, go to the hospital. When you are overwhelmed with work, slow down. Your children need you alive. That work, that job you are killing yourself for, will replace you just in 2 weeks. But your child can never replace you. Always have this in mind. Your child needs you alive. Your child needs you present. Your child needs you healthy. Success means nothing if your child grows up visiting your grave. My dear parent, learn to rest. If you refuse to rest, you'll be laid to rest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Wisdom Honya, your parental leadership coach. Bye-bye.